In English language, well and good are synonyms. In Jamaican language, however, they can mean different things when used as an adverb, though an adverb modifies an adjective or a verb. Adverb. The difference between well and good now, let's talk about that. Well modifies an adjective. So you would say, I'm well bad, or I'm well hungry, or well teeth, etc. Now, good modifies a verb, like do good, run good, eat good, sing good. Now, the second difference has to do with the placement of the words. We use well before the adjective being modified, but good is used after the verb being modified. So, quiz for me, yadi them, true or false. In the sentence, in good, bad, good is an adverb. Is that true or false? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like and follow.